In this video, I am going to show you how to do a factory data reset of Nothing phones. Here you can see that I have installed some apps and also I have some photos and videos on my phone. Before doing the factory data reset, make sure to take the complete backup of your phone. I have taken the complete backup, then only I am doing the factory data reset. To do the factory data reset, open settings on your phone. Under settings, scroll down and click on system. And under system at the bottom you have this option, reset options. Click on that. At the bottom you can see that there is an option called as erase all data, factory reset. Click on that. It will give you a message. This will erase all data on your phone's internal storage, including Google account, system and app data, downloaded apps and so on. If you are okay with that, simply click on erase all data. If you have set any lock, enter that and again click on erase all data. Now it is doing the factory data reset. Now you can see that it is asking us to set up the phone again. I will go to the setup process quickly. Now you can see that the phone has been booted up. Now you will not find any apps which you have installed. All those are erased. Similarly, let's find if there are any photos and videos on our internal storage. Click on files and click on images. Here you can see that there are no images. Previously there are photos and videos. Now it is showing 0. So everything will be erased when you do a factory data reset. So that's it guys. In this way you can do a factory data reset of your Nothing phone. Hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.